If I have a lot of money, I will go to some countries. The first country, I will go to Mecca with my family and my friends. The second country, I will go to Japan because Japan is my favorite country. I will go to Japan with my family and with his family too. The third country, I will go to Switzerland because in Switzerland the weather is so cool and I like that weather. Beside that, I will buy a mic and a guitar because mics and guitars are so important for me. After that, I will make my own house. In that house, I will make a studio full of mics and guitars. After that, I will do a recording. Beside that, I will buy a motorcycle. I want to buy Filano for my motorcycle. After that, I will buy a laptop too. I will buy MacBooks for my laptop. After that, I will make my family and my friends happy. I will around Indonesia with them.